Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the February Oh Hello box, and I wanted this box to be hardcore Valentine's. And you don't need a significant other or that special someone in your life to enjoy this box. You just need a little bit of self-love and a treat yourself attitude, and you're gonna really enjoy this box. So before I get into all of the box items, if you are new to the whole Oh Hello box world, I will leave links and more information in the description box. But basically you get over $100 worth of lifestyle and planner items for $45. So in each and every box there is a postcard that has a photo of all of the products in the box, a little paragraph about the theme, as well as a retail list of prices. So I feel like we should just start really strong and go with my favorite item in the box. It's a bear, and on his little shirt it says "Oh hello." He's the softest, cutest little guy ever, and I never thought I would have a chance in my life to dress a bunch of stuffed animal bears, but I had that opportunity, and I thank you for that. I got to put little shirts on bears. Like, what is my life right now? So a cute bear with a cute little shirt, and I'm just, I might sleep with him at night. I'm not saying that I do, but I'm not saying that I don't either. I'm not sure if you can see how dirty my glasses are, but I definitely can see how dirty my glasses are, and it's like looking through a Michigan window right now. It's so freaking dirty. Next up is a sticker pack. This is an exclusive pack to the box. It is a Valentine's Day set. So I'm gonna open her up and show you the 4 sheets inside. So you get some really cute decorative like desserts and treats. Then there are some doodle hearts and little cards, just basically a lot of hearts. Then of course, conversation hearts. Do you like conversation hearts? I'm very curious about this. I'm a picky eater in general, so I'm not surprised that I don't like conversation hearts, but are there people out there, the same people that like candy corn, that also like conversation hearts? I do think they're cute as stickers though. And then the last sheet is a bunch of different date night stickers with little couples. So like a burger and some ketchup, a egg with some orange juice, that sort of thing. And you can use these if you go out with your friends. You can call those like friend date nights. You don't have to have a significant other. It's cool. I never wear my hair like this in videos. I wear it all the time in like real world. So I'm like hyper aware of my head right now. That's a weird statement, but it is true. Next up is a set of 3 cookie cutters, little heart cookie cutters. So you have the big one, a medium one, and a small one. So if you want to make little heart cookies, brownies, Rice Krispies would be really good. Next up is a roll of heart washi tape. I mean, it fits the theme. It's kind of like an obvious thing. This next product is really cool as well. So it is a desk calendar. So it starts off as this little vase, but all of the months are flowers that you can pull out to make a bouquet. So if you want just one of the flowers out for that particular month, you can do that too. Or you can have like a spread of flowers, and then you can have them like pulled down as the months go by. I just think it's really cute and a really fun take on a desk calendar. It's just really pretty. And you get a little bouquet of flowers that doesn't die. Another thing I never thought I'd be able to say is that I have chocolate that says "Oh Hello," that has my brand name on it. How freaking cool is that? So you're gonna get 2 heart chocolates. They're quite large. I don't know, head for scale. Does that help? Do I have a normal size head? I don't know. Now we're getting into some severe like things I question about. But 2 pieces of chocolate. The chocolate's really good. Like, you know how if you sometimes get like novelty chocolate and you're just kind of like, ugh, it was cute as a thing to look at, not as a thing to eat. This is actually really good. So you'll get 2 pieces. So they both say "Oh Hello" on them. I might eat one later. I might have to unwrap one for the B-roll so you can see better what it looks like. And then I can't put that back in a package, so I guess I have to eat one. There's a pink glitter gel pen for obvious reasons. You also get a set of Planner Addict sticky notes. I'm on a sticky note kick right now, so I'm just like, you get a sticky note and you get a sticky note. So in the Facebook group for the Hello Agains, I am doing free downloadable art every single month. So the first month for January was this like cat Valentine's Day themed stuff. So you will get all of these little elements so you can turn them into stickers or die cuts or dashboards or whatever you want to do with personal use with them. And I wanted to kind of promote that in this month's box, you know, to join that group so you can get those free downloadables every month. So there is a sticker sheet of the little icons. And these are available now. It's not like I remove the art after the month is over. It just compounds throughout the year. So right now we have 2 sets of art in there, and then when March rolls around, we'll have 3. So pretty awesome. I'm really excited about it. You guys who are in the group seem to be responding really well to freebies. I mean, who's like, ugh, no thank you, I don't want free stuff. Honestly, there was really no rhyme or reason to including this next item. I just think it's really cute and it fits a theme and it could be a really cute decor. So in our store, I have these hanging like ornaments from our little like light up tree, but it's just a little like wicker heart. It's cute. Sometimes that's reason enough. An oldie but a goodie, this sticker organizer that says Planner Addict on the front of it. I like to use these to organize small freebies from shops, or if I go to an event and get a lot of like contact cards or smaller sticker sheets. This is a really great way to see all of your sheets so you're using them up. So each week or whenever I sit down to plan, I'll flip through my books just to see if there's a sticker that I could use. And it kind of solves the whole like I have a sticker for that thing. I literally do have a sticker for basically everything. So every single box has an exclusive enamel pin, but I wanted to do something different for this month's box, you know, spread the love since it's love themed. So I teamed up with my friend Cynthia from Wonton in a Million to bring you this really cute cupcake pin. It's just, oh man, I love her. I talk about her at every possible moment of every possible day where it won't be 100% weird. 98% weird, I'm cool with, but 100% weird, I don't talk about her. But this is a great opportunity to talk about her because it's literally right here. It's this awesome cupcake pin. So that is this month's box pin. In the home stretch now, just 2 more products left to this month's box. Up next is a greeting card with some of the art from the Facebook freebie set. So you could do something like this too. You could turn it into a greeting card. It has the little cat and says, love you, a nice thick cardstock with the red foiled envelope. And last but not least, another really cool experience for me. This box was full of it. Like I never thought I would have chocolate with my name on it. I never thought there would be a bear. And now there's a candle. And this one smells like sugar cookies because I mean, come on. So it says, oh, hello. And I wanted to keep the art really clean and minimalist and simple so you could have this out. No matter what your like decor style is, this could work in it. Oh my God, it just smells like sugar and like that vanilla body scrub or lotion you used to get at Bath & Body Works when you were in middle school and you smelled like brown sugar and it was just delicious and you wanted to eat yourself up. You tasted so good. That's what this smells like. So there you guys go. Everything in this month's Oh Hello box. This box is available until the end of February and then it's time to say goodbye and move on to the next box. The next few boxes are all going to be really, really awesome. So just a little pro tip for you. Stay tuned for the next boxes. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this box. And also let me know if you like conversation hearts because I'm genuinely curious. Genuinely? That's right. I am genuinely curious if you like conversation hearts or if you like candy corn. Let's just do both of them. Yes, no, candy corn, conversation hearts. I'm conducting a scientific study right now. Do the people who like conversation hearts also like candy corn? Is there a difference? Let me know. Very important research going on down in the comments. Thank you guys again for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you there. Bye.